Have you ever watched a viral video and you thought and you wondered, how did this blow up? Despite no crazy effects, no expensive camera, just a simple idea and it exploded. Well, guess what? You don't need a fancy setup, you don't need a massive budget, and neither do you need Hollywood level of editing to go viral on YouTube. In fact, some of the viral hits were shot on nothing more than a smartphone, and here is the real secret. It is not about how much you spend, it is about how well you execute. All right, and in this video I'm going to break down the exact formula that can turn any video into a viral sensation, even if you're starting with zero budget. So let's dive right in. Now, going viral starts right before you even hit the record button. It's all about the idea. Think about Mr. Beast's viral video and what made them so addictive. You will find out that it's not just the money that he gives away, but more of the concept that is behind them. People are drawn to big emotions, they are drawn to shock, they are drawn to curiosity, and they are drawn to excitement and also controversies. You don't need millions to create a great idea. Just ask yourself some basic questions. Would I click on this video? Does this video make me curious? Is this something people would share? The more yes of the answers you get while answering those questions, the better your chances of going viral. There is a simple formula that nearly all viral videos used to follow: the hook plus the story and also the retention. The hook in the first 5 seconds makes or break your video. You heard that right, and I'm going to repeat it again. The hook in the first 5 seconds, they make or they break your video. If people are not hooked instantly to your video, they are gone. So you want to use a bold statement, you want to use a surprising fact or a big promise. An example of this is when you say something like, "This tiny hack make me $1,000 on YouTube, and here is how." Also, the story of the video is very much important, as people don't just watch videos, they follow stories. Even a simple challenge or experiment or reaction video can be told in such a way that keeps people very much engaged. Also is the retention, which is the longer people watch your videos and the more YouTube is going to push your videos. So you want to use jump cuts, you want to use fast pacings, and you want to use unexpected twists to keep your viewers glued to the screen. You do not need a $2,000 camera to create viral videos. All right, you don't need expensive gears to create a viral video, simply because your phone is more than enough. And here is how to maximize what you currently have. The use of light, natural light, which is very free. Okay, you can film from near a window or go outside for best qualities. As for your audio, a clear audio matters more than your video, so use your phone's mic very wisely. Ensure to connect in a very quiet place, or you can invest in a budget friendly microphone. Also, your editing. Free apps such as CapCut and InVideo, they can do 90% of what pro editors do. Jump cuts, music overlays, and all this makes your video more dynamic. All right, now viral videos are not about just luck, they are about strategies. If you focus on the right ideas and you structure your videos very well and you are able to keep people watching, you will be shocked at how much your channel is going to grow. Now, if you want more behind the scenes strategies and exclusive video ideas and also a step-by-step guidance on how you can make viral content, I've got you covered. I've got you covered, and I've got something special for you. I run a free private group where I share insider tips that don't make it to YouTube. The link is in the description. You can go ahead and join and let us grow together. Comment below that one viral video idea you've been thinking about, and let's brainstorm. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like I said, because in the next video I'm revealing more YouTube growth secrets. Peace out.